Hey guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new deals to share with you. We're going to start at Home Depot. We're going to have the little product boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere throughout the video as we get to the different items. And then we're going to round it out with Amazon deals, and all those will be linked in the description down below. The first Home Depot deal that I want to show you is this Milwaukee M12 cordless combo kit. It's a 4-tool kit. You're getting two 2-amp-hour batteries with it. Normally about $400, half price at $199. And this is a really good set. We've talked about this set or something pretty similar before, but I really like these items, and I think it's a good price for you. The inflator, one of my favorite M12 tools, and that's always about $100 by itself. The OG 3/8 drive ratchet. This is the well, it's the OG. It's the original one. It's the first one, but still really good. And everybody loves this cordless screwdriver. You get the light, you get two batteries. So $199. The deal has been around, but I just like it. So if you haven't seen it, haven't taken advantage of it, you really should. The next one I want to show you is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel brushless cordless hacksaw reciprocating saw kit with the brushless grinder. Normally $539 down to $299 as a special buy, and we're getting a nice little 5-amp-hour battery to go with it. So $299, you're getting two brushless tools, two fuel tools, and you're getting that big boy battery to go with it. Paddle switch grinder. It's beautiful. Got a DeWalt deal for you. This is the Atomic 20-volt cordless brushless compact reciprocating saw with premium 6-amp-hour battery. Starts out at $348 down to $169. So that's another brushless tool for you. I like these little. It's pretty much just like the Milwaukee version. These little like one-handed reciprocating saws are pretty amazing. And then you're getting this nice newer 6-amp-hour battery. Now there are a lot of deals right now. We saw a similar one for Lowe's the other day, and then Home Depot has theirs where you're getting that free 6-amp-hour battery. So you really got to pick out what tool you like best. But at $169, you know, not all of them are $169, but $169 plus that battery, it's a high-value battery. But if you prefer this one, we have the Atomic brushless oscillating multi-tool, again with the 6-amp-hour battery, and this one's only $159. And for some context, we can get this guy by itself as a bare tool for $99. Every once in a while you can get the kit for $99, but when it's a kit, it's like the DCB 107 charger, which sucks. If you can get away from using that, that's the slowest one they make. And it also comes with a 1.5-amp-hour battery, which also sucks. So yeah, it's a kit, but it's practically the worst possible kit you could get from DeWalt. So it's not like it's a huge selling point, even when you can get it at $99. So yes, this is more than that, but you're getting a really good battery. And I don't know if anyone currently has this at $99, but nice 6-amp-hour battery at $159. Now, if you don't like that, try this one. It's the exact same oscillating tool with a 3-amp-hour battery, and it is down to $99. This one has been around, but these 3-amp-hour batteries, for a minute, they had that 4-pack of them that was super cheap, and they've been kind of throwing around different deals with it. So depending on what battery you want or how, like this is the best deal technically, but if you really want the 6-amp-hour battery, it's not bad getting the other one for $159. But if you need an oscillating tool, this is probably about the best way you're ever going to get it at $99 and a 3-amp-hour battery. Here we have the Ryobi 40 volt. Okay, 40. Don't think it's 18. If you got 18 volt stuff and then you buy this, you're going to be pissed. This is 40 volt battery topper LED work light. It's normally $40, but it's only down to $19.97 now, which is really nice. I wonder if they have a picture. These are all like videos. My mouse doesn't want to work right now. Well, it looks like it 11 days of runtime. Do you see that? Look at that. 11 days. The hell? Alright, so it's got 4 modes. It moves around there. It's got a hanging hook. There's a USB-C port, which is really nice. I was hoping to see how it looked on the battery, but well, there, you can kind of see it next to her. So anyway, it's half off for the work light. Now, the other 40 volt item is a topper fan. So they got a topper light and they got a topper fan. Both half off, $19.97. If I don't have any 40 volt Ryobi stuff, if I did, I would buy both of these just because it's super cheap. You get a fan, you get a light, whatever. You never know when you might use it. And at 40 volts, boy, well, you had 11 days of runtime on that fan. I wonder if this shows up for this because it would be long as hell too. 166 hours of runtime on low. Okay, the other one had to say 11 days. This has 166 hours. They want me to do math or something so I can see the equivalent of which one uses more power? I don't know. I don't do math. You guys can figure it out for me. Someone will call me a dumbass and they'll be like, duh, that's 3.657 days, dumbass. Like, okay, thanks. Here we have the rigid 18-volt cordless 5-tool combo kit. You're getting two 4 amp hour batteries with it, and it's normally $299 down to $229. So if you look at it, we're getting 5 tools, 2 batteries, at 7 total pieces. You're at about $30 a piece, breaking it down. So if you just, I mean, buying it for someone else or whatever, maybe just expand, that's a lot of value right there. It's not the best tools Rigid has to offer, but plenty good for just about any homeowner doing weekend projects and everything, or a little like casual woodworker type guy or something. Drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, LED light. Well, you throw in, I would probably throw in like an oscillating tool or something into that mix, and you're covering 75% of projects probably. You're really getting a good start at just, $229. That's really good. Okay, so those are the Home Depots. Let's hit up some Amazon deals. These are going to be linked down below. Okay, so first, dash cam, front and rear, built-in Wi-Fi, 4K front, 1080 rear. That's usually how it actually works with some of these dash cams, is the rear-facing one isn't quite as crystal clear. With a 64 gigabyte SD card, 2-inch screen, you got parking mode, loop recording, G sensor, super night vision, Superfly, by Sue Punery. That's 30% off. You see that guy there? I like the Wi-Fi ones because I don't even like looking at the screen. Get my thing all set up and then I'm done. I don't ever have to touch it again. $89.99, 30% off with the promo code there. It's supposed to go through the end of the month. We'll see if it actually lasts that long. Next up, the 2-pack labor-saving handle, construction jack, wall tile locator, multi-function height adjustment lifting device by XC Lifes. It's 50% off. So you guys, you know them, you love them, you've seen these guys before. It's like a bar clamp with a base, and it just kind of inchworms its way up this thing. Great for like lifting up a door thing or a cabinet. Maybe you're trying to put up a door, cabinet, window, anything you got to like level up, and you just need to make little incremental adjustments. You can also kind of use it as a spreader. And it's $42.99, and then there is a Prime member discount, which I think brought it down to $39.99, and then you cut it in half, so it's 50% off. That's cutting it in half. Brings it down to $19.99. You're getting 2 of them, so you're paying $9.99 a piece for it. And I have a set similar to this, and then I also have the, I'm trying to think, do I have the DeWalt or the Irwin one? I think they're remarkably similar. But anyway, the name brand ones are definitely nicer, but they're also like $100. And this one you're getting for $10 each. So you do have to kind of temper the expectations a little bit, but you can dip your toes in the water with something cheap and see how you like it if you like the concept and everything. 15 amp battery charger, trickle charger, Dick Trickle, car battery charger, portable 9-stage smart battery maintainer with temperature compensation by Next Peak, and it is 40% off. There it is there. Putting the snowmobile away for the winter. It's going to be sitting. You're going to have to put a little battery charger on that thing. You don't want it to be dead next year. $45.99, 20% promo code, 20% coupon. Prime member discount. I don't remember the Prime member discount on this. You'll have to open up the Amazon page for a Prime member to see what your discount is, but you'll be taking 40% off of whatever that price is. Magnetic pickup tool. LED light telescoping magnetic pickup tool by Duther. 50% off. I really like these. A couple different brands make them. A lot of them are the exact same style, where this one's a little bit different. I'm not exactly sure what's going on here, but telescoping, gooseneck on the end, LED light so you can see what you're actually trying to pick up, and a magnetic ring on the end there. Really useful to have. $16.99, 50% off. You pay $8.49. If it gets just one bolt or dropped nut that it was stuck into a crevice that you otherwise could not get, it's already paid for itself. 10-piece masonry drill bit set, cement drill bits made of cemented carbide, 3/16 up to a ½ inch. This is by ZKH. We've seen several deals from them in the past. They gave me that free impact wrench a year or so ago. Really like that. So there it is, handy dandy case, all the bits you need. Starts out at $20. We got that 50% promo code going through the 7th. Got a couple of days to take advantage of that. It's only going to be $9.99 for a whole set of drill bits. 100 piece, 5-inch, 8-hole hook and loop. Look at it. You got assorted grits, 40 all the way up to 400. Another ZKH deal and another 50% off. You gotta love 50% off. $24.99. It's gonna be down to $12.49. Again, that is gonna go through the 7th as well. Hard to beat that for 100 pieces of sandpaper. Got a golf polo shirt deal. Men's multi-pack, quick dry, short sleeve collared shirt by Pins Park. 35% off. This is the exact one I bought about a year ago. I really like these. And I like this type of material. Like when I'm looking at polo shirts, I don't like all cotton. I feel like it's like too sweaty and it gets like you wash it and it deteriorates or discolors a lot, where I feel like this stuff holds its like quality of fabric and it's cooler and I just prefer it a lot to the other ones. Anyways, 28.9. Also, the page has more than just a 3-pack. There was like 2-packs and 5-packs, and the code should work for everything. But it's 28.99, and it will apply to multiple quantities if you want to get different colors or different combinations of some sort. But we're taking 35% off. That goes through the 6th, and of course, 28.99 for 3 polo shirts. That's pretty good, even before we get off the promo code there. Men's casual Henley shirts, short sleeve, basic, button, muscle, long line t-shirt by J Meir. So we posted a deal for some Henley shirts yesterday, and someone left a comment saying that the price was already going up on those. So I saw this one, and I wanted to get the post up for it. So if anyone else was bummed out by the price change, maybe this one will tickle your fancy. Again, different sizes and colors available, so don't get hung up on that if that's what you're not looking for. $14.99. Now there's a 30% promo code, a 20% coupon. Not sure when that expires, but it's working right now. Right now, you're taking 50% off. You're going to pay $7.49 for a shirt. You really can't beat that. And here we have another shirt deal, a 3-pack of hipster hip-hop long-line crew neck t-shirts by J Meir. J Meyer? I think it's J Meyer, maybe. 55% off, so there we go. Got those again. $35.99, and then 45% promo code, 10% coupon. Those do stack. So you take 55% off of $35.99, which has got to be close to under $18. You're getting 3 shirts. That's $6 a shirt. Again, we're in the money. We like it. So there it is, guys. The latest amazing deals. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.